This video teaches you how to enable, create, run, and save macros in Microsoft Excel. Click File, Options. Click Customize ribbon. Check the Developer box. Click OK. Click the Developer tab. Click Record Macro. Enter a name for the macro. Create a shortcut key combination if you like. Click the Store Macro in drop-down box. Click This Workbook. Any step you perform between clicking OK and clicking Stop Recording will be added to the macro. Click Stop Recording. Click File. Click Save As. Enter a name for your Excel file. Click the Save As type drop-down box, then click Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. Click Save. Running a macro. Open the macro-enabled spreadsheet. Click Enable Content. Click the Developer tab. Click Macros. Select your macro. Click Run. Wait for the macro to finish running.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.